journeys. Oh, before we get into that, today I'm doing a makeup video, and I think y'all should know me. I did the Just Dance videos, stuff like that. I am my mom's daughter. Yeah, yes, queen. But today I'm doing a makeup video tutorial thing, which is eyeshadow and like little things. But let me close my door. First, I'm gonna show you my puppy. Come here, Bubba. Oh, his name is Bubba. We found him at Chick-fil-A drive-thru, just sitting there, so we got him. Go get my mom. You wanna come in? Oh, well. Let's get to the video. Walking in the winter wonderland. Okay, I have the song stuck in my head. Don't judge me. But James Charles palette. Shout out to James. Okay. Let's open you up. What brush? We're going to do not that brush. It's a little smaller than I thought it was. Wait, sorry, James, if I'm not using the right brush, but I'm going to go with this brush. Today, we're going for whatever look I want. I think I'm going to go for the rainbow eye, but I gotta make sure it's actually red. I'm just going to use my finger. Please, James, do not judge me. No, like, be mean, judge me. But you're never mean, so I don't have to worry about that. People call me the mini Aston Ray, but I'm not. I wish if Aston Ray, if you were watching this, big shout out. Okay, I'm weird sometimes, so please don't be mean. And so, here's the red that I'm using. If I could just show you. So here's the palette, okay? I'm using this red right here. Let me get some out with my finger. So I have some on my finger. Now I'm going this way, so I gotta do a little bit at a time. Just to let you know, I like it like this because I fix it up, okay? It's supposed to get smeary, like in all places. So please, don't judge me. I like it like this so far. And I am not a freaking 5-year-old. I have some makeup remover right here. Makeup remover. And I like spraying this on my... It's hard to spray badly. I gotta get a brush that I didn't use. Gotta put it in this. Ow. Shoot. That hurt. It's gonna sit here. It's supposed to look like a little like mask thing. See, it's supposed to spread because it's makeup remover. That's what most makeup removers do. Well, most of the sprays, because I don't add a lot because it'll dry like your skin up better. James, I watch your videos, don't worry. See, like it drips. And that's perfectly okay. See, like it's dripping. Then you just gotta wipe it. And I'm gonna come back. I gotta go do something. But we can wait. Because y'all know important, like... Sis. I think my sister needs me. So I'll be back. I'm just joking. Did y'all see that? I'll be right back. I gotta go do something. Just joking. Okay, I like joking around a lot, so yeah. You gotta add a lot of makeup remover for my remover. Like, dip your brush in there and just keep applying it. It smells really good. It's like adding blush. I'm trying to mess up on purpose because I want to show y'all like how to remove it. And then, hold on, you'll see me. But you have to get anything. I have like this blankie, but you just gotta swipe it. Like TikTok, swipe left, like Tinder basically. Dating apps, but we don't talk about dating in my channel. Unless I'm like older, should I say. Because, let me think. I am only 8 and I do makeup, so please do not judge. Shout out to Kelly's. If you're watching this, she's a grown-up. She actually bought me a vanity today. It's my... I don't know how much vanities I've had, but this vanity is like... I'm fleek, girl. I'm gonna keep my brush and my makeup thingy. I'm gonna give you a tour of my house later. Okay, so now... I need this brush. Yes, mama. So I got, which one am I going to use? Oh, this one. I think this one. Sorry, I just needed to make sure that brush worked. Wrong brush. I'm just looking at the color again because it kind of looks a little off. But that's totally fine. So here's the orange. I'll show you in a second. Well, in a second. Because like, girl can't tell all her secrets. I think this is looking a little better. Okay, so this time, I'm trying to mess up, y'all, because like I want to show you how I do it. And this time I gotta put some up here because I messed up a little bit right here. And then let it sit for 5 seconds. 15 seconds. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm sorry if I don't talk a lot, but I just like, I'm kind of quiet. I'm loud but funny. So I'm going to do one eye at a time, just to let you know. Okay. Looking on fleek. I gotta redo some orange because like, the orange came off. I'm trying to do my worst. Like my worst I can ever do. So don't judge me. Please. Don't. You will be in very much trouble. I'll block you. But my pages, any of you girls out there, well, I'm not trying to mean you boys, but like boys, please, if you don't like makeup, don't do any hate. You really affect girls when you give us hate. Okay. Yeah, we have ourselves a deal. I don't think you should play around me. Girls, if y'all need anybody to talk to, I'm right here. I'm listening. Now it's yellow time. Hold on. Gotta get a lot of yellow because it doesn't really show up. This is how it looks so far. Not the best I've ever done, but not the worst. I've done worse. Way worse. I need to add a little bit of water. So it comes out better. Just to let you know, if you like need any tips, girl, or boys, whoever it is watching this, just tell me. I'm trying to do my worst. I think it's going okay. Well, maybe I'm just working on. I do my own stuff, like I do it way separate than y'all. Well, some of y'all. See? And then I like doing the purple at the ender of it. Like this. And I can't forget my pink. Pink, I didn't forget you. And then I go boop, and then boom. You have it done. Now, I think we should remove this baby. This-ish makeup. Good-ish makeup. Take all my makeup with me. Okay. If y'all want to, get a good picture of the top. I already started on the bottom. Top, please. I said top, please. Thank you. And you have to close your eyes. Your eye. And then close both of them for a second. And wipe. Hold on, I gotta do something. Okay, I'm back. My eye might water a little bit because, like, your eyes can water when you take off your makeup. That's what my eye at least says to me. I don't know about y'all's, but because I'm not you, I meant. You gotta get up the axes. Oh, guys, if you have perfect eyebrows, girl, people, don't do anything dumb. You will regret it. I'm not saying I've done it. Don't. I've seen a lot of people get their eyebrows done. Oh, it did not go well. Sorry to the family out there, but like, well, fans, but not all of y'all look ugly. I'm just joking. None of y'all are ugly. Nobody's ugly. But you might do what I do when you put your blanket and put it in your eyelash so you don't get any of your makeup remover in your eyeball. Fan it. Swipe easily. And there you go, folks. You have most of it off. I'm going to take a shower later, but I have to clean up and then I'll come back. But hope you all enjoyed that video. It was just quick. So hope y'all all have a nice rest of the day. candle night, and stay safe. Bye. Love y'all.